Hi guys, welcome back again. Today, ST170 rear brake upgrade. So basically what you do is you get ST170 rear brake carriers for your calipers. So obviously you've got your piston thing, you use your original one of them, you get an ST170 carrier. Obviously you can find those around on the internet and stuff used, and then basically you pair them together and that allows you to have bigger discs and still run the ST180 pads. So basically what I've done is I've bought ST170 discs which are larger. The carrier allows for I think 11% larger disc, so basically bigger disc, corner brakes. I've gone for the stock pads this time rather than Brembo specials out of Euro car parts because they got disintegrated after probably about 40 minutes to an hour worth of going around Brands Hatch, so bear that in mind. But anyway, I'm going to show you now and we're going to clean them up, paint them. Okay, so these are the ST170 carriers. As you can see, now obviously they are quite old, and obviously they're a little bit corroded, and just full of muck basically. I've got my drill, and I've got a wire brush. So I'm going to pop that into the drill. I'm basically just going to wire brush the head out of these and make an absolute mess of my nice clean van. So that's the plan for that. Pretty much the only reason I'm doing this in my van is because of having a vice, pretty much. What's the best way to do this, do you think? Thinking like that. That'll be fine. Right.
Ooh. Smells like broken promises. Don't breathe this.
It's already looking way better. So basically we're just trying to get back to the bare metal, and then once we're down to the bare metal I can then paint it basically, and I bought some like Halford's brake caliper red paint, and we'll see how red it goes, but I mean at the end of the day it's only really these bits that you're probably going to see anyway, so it's not a big deal. So they are now all basically been grinded down, so that's actually smooth to the touch. It won't look it, but it is actually smooth to the touch. So there's no more actual rust or build up of brake dust on there. And from there, basically, we're now going to paint them. Now obviously we've got to mask up these holes here, very important, and obviously mask up those holes. But yeah, pretty much that's that done. Drill works good. I need to clean up my workspace now because obviously this is where I actually work and it needs to be clean. So yeah, we're going to do that and then I'm going to paint these red, hopefully, is the plan. Okay, so this is the current situation. I've basically cleaned it under a tap, dried it, and now I've put masking tape over all the holes so that way we don't get paint in the holes. I just need to do the last two on the back. These two aren't as important because they're just threads. It's very important that you don't get basically paint into this carrier here where basically your slider pin goes forwards and backwards. You really don't want to get paint in those. So keep that in mind. But anyway, we're going to do that and then I'm going to basically tie it to a bit of string and hang it up, I think, on here. Hang it up there, spray paint it. Well, I might hit the wall with it. We'll see. So this is the current setup. Basically I'm hanging from a tree. And we're just going around. This is the stuff I bought. Hopefully it focuses. So brake caliper paint in red, and that's the kind of red that we're getting so far. We're going to do probably one more coat on it and then hopefully let them dry. But like I said, you know, it's not the end of the world if they're not completely bright red. And then what we're going to do is basically just spin it around, paint the other side.